So last year we did an epic summer tour of Slovenia and had an absolute blast. But this year we're going to take it a little bit further. We're going to go through Slovenia, we're going to go down to Croatia, we're going to go right down to Montenegro, and then we're going to go into Bosnia. I'm so excited, guys, and we're going to take you along with us. So let's go! Isn't this pretty? Morning guys! So we have slept so much better. We've actually caught up on a bit of sleep because the night before we were travelling and we didn't actually stop driving until like early hours in the morning, and then yesterday we were up super early to do a like 13-hour shift. So yeah, we've slept, we're refreshed, kettle's boiled, ready for breakfast, ready to hit the day.
So we just pulled up in Salzburg. We've got a morning to kill before we head off to Croatia. So we're going to take the Bromptons and we're going to ride around and see what Salzburg's about. So let's go find out what's like. We're on the Bromptons. let's go see Salzburg.
Let's go. I wasn't like...
Was it?
Is that it up there? Is that where we're going?
That looks like it.
Now you're making me climb a hill on a Brompton.
Austria, baby.
It's pretty, isn't it?
Very pretty. We are in Salzburg. Austria, Salzburg. So yesterday we had a massive journey down here. Came from Calais, 6 o'clock in the morning, arrived here at 9:30, straight through, 12-hour driving. Tough. We like to do that at the start, just to get a good start on where we're going. And so far, we thought we'd have a little day out in Salzburg. Show you the sights. Let's go.
Can you get in?
Yeah. You got a look?
Yeah. Beautiful in there, isn't it? This place is so pretty. That church is stunning inside, but look at this view. It's so nice. I didn't realise we were coming up here. We saw it on the map. It's really pretty.
It's spelled Maria Plain, but I don't think that's how you pronounce it. It's Plain. So we'll say Maria Plain, Maria Plan,
Yeah. We're rubbish with pronunciation.
Something like that. This reminds me of Montreux a little bit.
Yeah.
You know, we went to Switzerland, is that in?
Yeah, I know what you mean when we went down that lake. They all seem to have these really beautiful long like river banks, don't they?
Proper nice to cycle in here, isn't it? They've got it sorted. So if you want a little bit more info about this is a 24-kilometre loop around Salzburg. If I remember, I'll put it in the description. It's called the Instagrammable cycle loop because it takes you around all the Instagram places. There is a walking version as well. So if you Google Instagrammable walking route, you'll probably get it. What do you reckon to it, Kaz?
It's so pretty. It's really enjoyable as well. It's not hilly, it's really nice pace. 20 hours later, Alan is still in the spa buying food. I kid you not. I mean, I must have been sat here now 40 minutes. I think I'll put my head down on the bench and have a nap. I'm here!
It's crazy clean, isn't it?
It's like crystal blue, isn't it? It's amazing. I wonder how warm it is.
Looks like a tidal canal, isn't it?
Where's that
Well,
coming from then?
it's not tidal, it's mountain because it's running too quick, but
Do you think that's running from that mountain
yeah,
then?
that colour, it's got to be out of mountain. Look at the colour of that. It's crazy. Some people have got little ladders over the wall so they can swim in the little mountain river. So blue. I think we're going to get in a rainstorm. Well, we just managed to beat the rain. I think we need to go to Croatia. It looks warmer there.
Yeah, when we saw that storm coming in, there was a really big storm coming in, wasn't there? So we darted back to the van on the Bromptons, and we've had to shut the door because it's absolutely chucking it down. But the kettle's on, it's like 30 degrees outside, and I'm melting.
This is the worst bit. Oh, 120 euros. Morning guys. Well, yesterday we went all the way from Salzburg all the way into Slovenia, pushing into Croatia. We just went into Slovenia Italian border and we found a cute little park up at a castle, but we decided to give it a miss because we didn't want to get the knock, and we got there about 9 o'clock at night. So we just drove across the border into a little town called Dublin, and now we're in the municipal car park. Well, it's a municipal camper spot really, with water and stuff provided. There's other camper vans on here, and these are great little spots if you just want to pull in, have a thing for the night, and then crack on, because that's all we need to do. We're cracking into Croatia today. We're off to Rovinj and Pula for the Colosseum, but first it's Weetabix time. Has Weetabix come across?
Hola!
You're always in Spain, aren't you?
Yeah, your Weetabix is ready.
Oh wow.
They're so dry and horrible. My eggs are nearly ready. But it's beautiful little park up this, isn't it? I mean, the castle one would have been nicer, but for just like an overnight stay, just to get your head down, it's alright, this is, isn't it?
Well, we're in Rovinj. We're going to have a walk around. €4 an hour for car park.
We need to run round.
We need to run round. See you later, Jules. Stay safe. So this place is Rovinj. And it's another one of those...
I'm so excited to be in Croatia.
Yeah, we're in Croatia at last. And it's another one of those little places that's compared with Venice. I'm not sure why, because it's not got waterways. I think it's just like the look of the buildings and things like that. Looks really pretty. So we just parked out of town, just outside of town, about 10 minutes to walk in, and then we're going to walk up to the old town, see what the crack is. See if we can't get coffee first. That'd be good. Looking at that bit, it actually does look a little bit like Venice, with the way the buildings are in the water. It's pretty cool.
That's a very popular picture for Croatia, isn't it?
€3 for a massive piece of pizza. And two, how much is that? 2 for a massive cake. €5 for a massive piece of pizza and a cake.
Marmalade.
Smashed it. Best bakery in the world. Come to Croatia if you want baked goods, they're really cheap.
Guys, something really funny's just happened. So we just went to the bakery and I got this like Frankfurt sausage roll thing, and it was great, and Alan had this like little twisty thing. Walked out the bakery and this place has got loads of seagulls because it's on the harbour, and Alan went to take a bite and a seagull flew over his head and ran off with his little cake.
It hit me.
It literally flew over his head, picked his cake out of the packet and flew away. The whole cake went in the seagull's mouth. Alan was stood there with his empty packet. My sausage roll was really nice.
Yeah, I wasn't impressed. Literally like that, you can take a bite and it's gone, totally gone. I was enjoying that. I had one bite of that cocoa twist and it went. We just walked into town a minute ago and said, no idea why this is the Little Venice. That's why it's the Little Venice. It's proper nice. Very Italian. You can see why up until just after the Second World War it was actually Italy. It's very Italian, very Italian.
Even the music playing is Italian, isn't it? You you wouldn't mind coming to this church if you got that kind of view when you came out from a service. How pretty. It's a beautiful building. I seem to have lost my husband, who's gone to take Derek up somewhere. Just having a wander down the harbour. My gosh, look how beautiful this place is. Everywhere you turn, it's just so pretty. How nice is it here?
Good, isn't it?
Oh, it's gorgeous. Hey guys, do you like our new addition to the van? I know we're not going to need them right now because it's 30 degrees, but we have brought some snow pusher offer things on the wheels, whatever you call it. Is that how you
search for it on Amazon? Snow pusher offer thing.
If we get stuck on the snow in the winter, look, we can just put them on. Look cool, don't they? And guys, come and look at this, check this out. Also, a new addition to the Wanderings of Valor and Cares, our YouTube link. God, that looks so old.
Yeah, that's proper Roman stuff, isn't it?
I was going to say, that looks really Roman-y.
Romany?
Romany.
Roman.
Roman. Old Forum Square, this is. And that is Old Forum House. Over 2,000 years old. It looks like if you pushed it too hard, it'd fall over.
Yeah, it doesn't look very secure, does it?
Mega old, isn't it, that is?
Hey.
You choose a car park right on the outskirts of town that's probably on the only estate in Croatia. And it's proper rough, it stinks of ganj.
Ganj? Oh yeah, are you 1980? Ganj.
Stinks of Canada.
Ganja. I'm glad we came here, it's nice, isn't it?
Yeah. Very different to Rovinj, isn't it? This is more of an
urban city, isn't it?
Yeah, urban city, whereas Rovinj
it's nice to see the Colosseum though, that's all I wanted to see really.
Yeah. Rovinj was more of a quaint little town, whereas this is actually feels like a big city. So we're looking for a really remote little parkup. Is it on park for night?
Yeah, I think it's on park, yeah, it is on park for night.
It's on park for night. Not quite sure where we are, but we're in the middle of nowhere. Where are we going, Alan?
Yeah, middle of nowhere.
Which way? That way? That way. That way.
Cooking up a storm. The smoke alarm tells me it's going well.
Smoke alarm's gone off already.
I was walking over at the flagpole over there and I heard the fire alarm going off. Oh dear, Tess is cooking.
So we're trying to be remote, like random in the middle of nowhere, and I set the smoke alarm off. So, turkey burger, bacon, cheese and mushroom. Onion, I mean.
Tidy.
with
And a
really,
nice-
really lovely European lettuce.
It's worth coming to Europe just for lettuce.
Next week's vlog, we continue through Croatia in our camper van, exploring more amazing places. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it. See you next week.